Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and then we have to find the apps section. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on Special App Access, which should be at the very bottom, and here we have to find the option which is called Install Unknown Apps. Let's tap. And as you can see right here, we've got some apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. Of course, we can change it and just tap on the particular app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that and be careful with granting the permissions. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and it will work also the same if you decide that you want to turn off previously granted permissions. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.